welcome back to my channel. I just came back from a 6-week holiday. I went to Penang, Malaysia, then I went to Kyoto, which is in Japan, and then after we took the bullet train to Tokyo, and then flew to Hong Kong, and after that I went to Dubai. So 5 places. I thought it'd be really fun to do kind of like a travel haul of the things that I bought. I put all the things that I bought in this bag, and I've also bought this bag while I was away. So yeah, let's start opening. The first place that we went to was Penang, which is where a lot of my family is. So I got this cool gold bookmark, and I thought it was really pretty. And then we went to this cool shop called Shop Howard. He's a photographer. So me being a photographer, I really loved his shop, and I bought a few things from there. I got some postcards. This one is of the Blue Mansion. He likes to take pictures of doorways, and Penang has some really gorgeous doorways, so had to buy some of these. He also turned his photos into notebooks, which I absolutely loved because I wanted to document my journey traveling. Yeah, just really beautiful. So yeah, really like these. That's all I bought from Penang, and I was kind of watching what I was purchasing because I only brought a carry-on, and I also wanted to save space for when I was traveling to other countries because I knew I was going to buy a lot in Japan. So yeah, next up is Japan. When you go to Japan, you have to go to the Pokemon store, and I love Pokemon. Like when I was a kid, I would play Pokemon Gold all the time. It was my favorite game. I also played Pokemon Snap on the Nintendo 64, which I love so much. I just grew up watching Pokemon and playing Pokemon, so had to go to the store. Also, side note, in Japan they tape everything so your bag doesn't open, which is really nice. Had to get a Pikachu. It's just so cute. I had to have this Pikachu because it was only available in the Pokemon Center at the Tokyo Skytree Mall. I remember asking for some Pikachu bags, and so she just gave me some like brand new bags. Oh, that's so nice. So I got a little dish for my tea bags because I don't have one, and I had to get it because it's got Pikachu on it. Here are some Pikachu chopsticks that I bought. Pikachu chopstick holder! It's just so cute to have matching chopstick holder and chopsticks. So yeah, had to have it. I got this keychain at Narita Airport, and it's the only place you can pick up this little Pikachu, and if you can see, I'm clearly an impulse buyer, especially when it comes to things that are like limited in the store. But yeah, another Pikachu. I also got this foldable bag while I was in Japan, and I just love it because we saw Mount Fuji and it's also on this bag. Super cute Japanese foldable bag. So you can't go to countries without buying some food that is unusual that you can bring back. I picked up some white peach Kit Kats, and they love white peach in Japan, and I also love white peach, so when I saw these I had to have them. And I couldn't go to Japan without buying some green tea. I love this tea. It's got matcha in it, it's got roasted rice, it's got a really nice flavor, and it's really good for you, so definitely recommend genmaicha. I also went to the Hello Kitty store. I'm not a huge fan of Hello Kitty, but I was when I was a kid, so it felt like something I had to do while I was in Tokyo. Got more chopsticks. I had to have them because they got cute little Hello Kitty on the top. I mean, can you blame me? I also got this chopstick holder, which I think is super cute. It's got Hello Kitty in a kimono. So had to buy the chopsticks and the chopstick holder, obviously. Another thing I got in Tokyo was a keychain, and I got this because it's the mascot for the 2020 Olympics in Tokyo. So Tokyo Disneyland is celebrating their 35th anniversary right now, so I had to get these mini ears. They're really festive. I love the little ribbon on the side. I got Mickey in a kimono with an umbrella. Really nice Japanese souvenir. I don't know if this is kind of weird to put on the internet, but I got a Mickey ear cleaner. I also got really pretty mini earrings. So this is actually a really interesting invention. I've never seen it before. So you can latch this onto a belt loop or your purse, and it'll hold your water bottle for you. You just stick it through the loop and it's really nice and really convenient, especially because it was so hot when we were in Tokyo Disneyland and we wanted to stay hydrated. I think in Japan they just give you spare bags, because I definitely did not ask for these spare bags, and they're everywhere. They're in every single bag. So in Tokyo Disneyland they have the cutest food I've ever seen, and also the cutest keychains, and this is one of them that I bought for myself because I'm a huge ramen fiend. So here's a ramen bowl with Mickey on it. And the keychain also has a mini spoon, which I thought was a nice touch. I bought myself Mickey chopsticks because of course I did. I really do love these. Look at how cute Mickey is. So next up we have Disneyland Hong Kong. I got this really cute keychain because I rode the tram to Disneyland Hong Kong, and this is like what you can grab onto in the tram. I thought that was a really nice touch and a good memory to have. Okay, so this is like the biggest thing that I bought while I was on holiday. I had to have this Mickey popcorn bucket, which looks like one of the balloons that you can buy in Disneyland or Hong Kong Disneyland for that matter. But I had to have this because I saw it online months ago, and I saw that you could get it at Disneyland in Anaheim, and I wasn't going there anytime soon, so I was bummed out that I thought that I couldn't get it. So when I saw this, I was so excited, just absolutely love it. I'm going to try and put some fairy lights inside and just use it as decoration. I also bought myself a little mini hair tie. It was just so cute, and I had left my ears at home the first day because we did not plan to go to Disneyland. It was just all of a sudden my dad and I were like, should we just go to Disneyland? And next thing you know, we're walking into the park. So I had to do something that was a little more festive for Disney, and so I bought this. I also got this Mickey keychain, just in a really cute Chinese outfit. So in every Disneyland except for Tokyo, they have these pins, which are really sweet. My dad and I got my first visit from Hong Kong Disneyland, and I also managed to convince the lady to give me a birthday pin, even though it wasn't my birthday. They're just like really nice, free keepsakes. Another thing that I got were these cute earrings that resemble food. They resemble food that's made from a bakery on Hong Kong Disneyland's Main Street, and they look exactly like these. So I didn't really buy a lot of things in Hong Kong besides Disneyland. I got one thing the day that I actually flew out, and they're chopsticks. Really gorgeous set of ceramic chopsticks. So the last place I went was Dubai, and I bought quite a few things there, and I'm excited to share them with you. I got a little camel bag, which I thought was super cute because I saw a lot of camels on the beach. So I thought that I'd want to keep the memory of the camels and have this little purse. While I was in Dubai, I went to a club called Zero Gravity, and they actually gave away these cute little drink holders. When I was at Zero Gravity, I met two really nice girls, Katie and Sheila, and after I hung out with them at the beach club, Sheila and I were talking about buying gold in Dubai because apparently that's the thing to do while you're there, and I had no idea. Gold in the UAE is apparently super cheap. So I met up with Sheila that evening, and she helped me buy some gold. And she took me to some gold shops, and I ended up buying a really cute pair of heart-shaped gold earrings. So I went to the top of the Burj Khalifa and I saw this stuffed camel, and I thought, this is the perfect gift for my sister. I also bought myself a Burj Khalifa keychain because I'm obsessed with the Burj Khalifa. It is the most incredible building I've ever seen because it's so big. So this is a camel keychain, and I just loved seeing all the camels in Dubai. So I got a few things from the Emirates shop at the airport because I flew Emirates. I got myself a luggage tag because I'm actually in need of a luggage tag, so I thought this was perfect. And I got myself a little pouch, which is really cute. I love the design. It's got like airplane windows, and there's like different landmarks inside of the windows, and I thought that was really cute. So I got one for myself. I picked one up for my aunt, and I also bought my dad the t-shirt version. See, there's different landmarks of each city, and I thought that just was really creative. So that's everything that I bought on my 6-week holiday. I enjoyed my time traveling, and all my stuffed Pikachus, all my chopsticks, everything is such a nice memory to have of the time while I was away. If you guys have any questions about my travels, feel free to ask me. Thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye!